So this is a question on selective breeding. So many people have breathing problems that cause them to be allergic to cats, right? So the question is going to have something to do with cat allergens. Right, so the allergy is caused by a chemical called FeLD1. Different cats produce different amounts of FeLD1. So a cat has been bred by selective breeding that does not produce FeLD1. Right, the cat does not cause an allergic reaction. So because it's asking us to explain something, we're going to need to say a reasonable amount. How the cat has been produced using selective breeding. So there's a number of different things that we need to go and talk about. So we're starting off by finding parents with the desired characteristics that we are looking for, so not producing that protein. So parents, like I said, are going to produce the least amount of FeLD1 are selected. So the parents are then bred together and they go and produce offspring. So the offspring will have different amounts of FeLD1 production because there's always variation. So the offspring with the desired characteristics, so the least amount of that FeLD1 will be selected and bred together. So we make sure that we're taking care to avoid lots of inbreeding because that can cause problems. And this is repeated over many generations, right? And the fact that we're repeating it over many generations enables us to breed a cat with or which produces no FeLD1 in this case. Right, so whenever a question about selective breeding comes up, this is kind of the typical pattern that you need to go and take every time when you're answering this sort of question.